Procreate tip number 1. When you are drawing on canvas and you draw at a particular zoom level and you zoom in more and you draw again, you see that the pen size changes, which is not very convenient. You can go to the wrench icon and switch on dynamic brush scaling. This way, at whichever zoom level you are, zooming will not affect the size of the brush at different zoom levels. Tip number 2. If you want to duplicate a layer, you can swipe and tap on duplicate, but you can also just drag and drop it on the canvas itself to duplicate the layer. If you want to take this layer to another canvas, you can do that. Just drag it, tap on gallery, select the other canvas and drop it over there. Tip number 3 has more than one tip. Wondering which brush you just used? Go to the recent tab. You can also pin your favorite brushes there and unpin. Tap on find to find which set it belongs to. Number 4. Using monoline brush for line art and changing sizes for different parts, you can simply save the size by tapping on the toggle button and hitting that plus icon to save different sizes. Number 5. Using two colors simultaneously. To change the color, you can simply long press the color swatch to switch between the current and the previous color instead of going back to the color wheel or the palette again and again. Number 6. Using the magic wand icon, go to clone and you can tap on any of the elements, increasing the brush size. You can duplicate that. Long press, you have multiple elements on the same layer. This brings us to tip number 7. Long press with two fingers on the screen for multiple undo or redo. Number 8. If you use color drop for color filling in closed line art, tap on the line art layer and select reference on a layer below it. When you do the color drop, it would only be dropped in the line art, and you can simply tap on color filling and tap to fill color instead of color dropping again and again. And this also works if you're not using a reference layer. Make sure to switch off the reference layer when you're working with some other line art. Number 9. To preview multiple artworks in gallery view, simply zoom into any of the artworks and swipe to view. Before tip number 10 and a bonus tip, don't forget to like this video if you're finding it helpful, and do subscribe for more digital art related stuff, creating stylized character face illustrations in Procreate app. Tip number 10 again has multiple tips. Tap on screen with 4 fingers to hide or show the tools. Swipe down with 3 fingers to get this menu. To copy, paste and duplicate any of the elements on any layer, just swipe with 3 fingers on the screen to clear that layer. Pinch the canvas to make it fit the screen. Bonus tip. You must be aware, if you want to make quick shapes, you can hold on with the Apple Pencil to snap it into a perfect shape. But for making a circle, it's a better idea to draw the circle, hold with the Apple Pencil and then also tap on the screen to snap it to a perfect circle instead of an ellipse. You can also click on edit and use the anchor points to edit the shape. Same works for the line. If you draw a line and hold with the Apple Pencil, it will snap into a perfect line, but not at a particular angle. If you want it to be at a perfect angle, you can tap on the screen and it will also move restrictedly. It is equidistant from the grid line. It is going slant. If you just draw a line and hold with the Apple Pencil, it will move free. These were just a few Procreate tips. If you want to learn more about digital illustrations in Procreate, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn how to create stylized character face illustrations from scratch, original illustrations, not just following tutorials, then don't forget to find the link in description to join the waitlist to my program. And if by the time you're watching this video and enrollment is open, you can join the program from the link in description. I'll see you in the next video.